everyone. I'm Jinghui.
I'm from Shiqi. We choose the Hong Kong representative food, dim sum.
First dim sum is the steamed beef ball. It looks fabulous, but it might contain a heavy metal such as the cadmium, lead, nickel, and the pathogen such as the E. coli and the SA. The second one is the famous one, the steamed barbecue pork bun. It might contain a lot of toxic substances such as the aluminum, stibium, lead, nickel, pathogens such as SA, salmonella, and the influenza A, which we know as the H1N1, and the antimicrobial residues, and the DON. The third dim sum is the steamed chicken filled with the black bean sauce. It is a little bit disappointing that it may contain the formaldehyde, salmonella, and heavy metals such as lead and nickel.
This is a steamed fresh prawn dumpling. Since shrimps come from the sea, it is possible to get vibrio after exposure to seawater. Also, it may contain some metals such as the lead, the methyl mercury, the nickel, and the heavy metal arsenic. We all know that the shrimp is quite normal to see in Hong Kong, and it's also common in Taiwan. There was a boric acid poison case in Taiwan a few years ago due to the consumption of baked shrimp. After that, the labeling of baked shrimp always says not intended for human consumption, contains a high level of boric acid. And this is a pan-fried turnip cake. Formaldehyde is naturally existed in the raw turnip and can be toxic, since it needed to be fried. When cooking temperature rises to 120 degrees Celsius, aqua amine as a carcinogen will form. And what's more, the bacterium Clostridium perfringens may exist and causes us the stomachache.
For listening, let's enjoy our dinner.